Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on EA FC PC. First, let's get your controller connected. You have two main options: a wired connection using a standard USB cable, which is often the most straightforward, or, for a wireless experience, you can connect via Bluetooth. Just make sure your PC's Bluetooth is turned on and ready to pair with your controller. Next, we'll set up the necessary software. I recommend installing DS4 Windows, a fantastic tool that helps your PC recognize the PS4 controller. It essentially makes your PS4 controller act like an Xbox controller, which many PC games, including EA FC, are designed to support. Once installed, open DS4 Windows to fine-tune your controller's settings to your liking. Now, let's jump into EA FC itself. Once the game is loaded, head over to the main settings menu. Look for the controller settings or input settings section. Here, you can customize your button layout. Take a few moments to map your PS4 controller's buttons to your favorite actions, ensuring a comfortable and responsive gaming experience tailored just for you. Finally, let's cover some quick troubleshooting tips. If you run into any problems, a simple restart of both your PC and your PS4 controller can often resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure your PC's Bluetooth drivers are up to date for the best wireless connection. Always check for the latest game updates for EA FC and any software updates for DS4 Windows to maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.